In an interview with OG Diaz, this is what Sugar Mercado said when asked about Willie Revillame and their 7-year relationship. For many years now, Willie Revillame and Sugar Mercado have been rumored to be in a relationship. However, no confirmation yet has been released regarding this. All that have been circulating online are mere hearsay and rumors from reliable sources, but not officially from the people involved. According to Christy Furman, Willie and Sugar's relationship has been going on for 7 years. Furman quipped, bakit ba sila nagkakaila? 7 taon na, bakit hindi nila maamin na magkarelasyon naman sila talaga? In October last year, Sugar was asked about her relationship with Willie, and according to her, she did not know where the rumors came from, but what she did know was that they are good. She is grateful for his help. She added that with everything he has done, not just for her but also for the others, she will surely support him. Revillame is running for senator, and she will vote for him. In a recent interview with OG Diaz, Mercado was asked about her rumored 7-year relationship with the game show host. Diaz asked her about their real status before, and she quipped, di ako sure. Di naman siya umamin eh. Kapal naman ang mukha ko kung aamin ako di naman siya umamin, di ba? She added, di ako sure. Baka mamaya nagbonding lang kami. From what she knows, they've been together for 7 years, but she's hesitant to give a concrete answer because Revillame has not admitted anything yet about them. According to her in the interview, she doesn't have any regrets, but what she confessed was that she loved the person, and this person also loved her and her 2 daughters. As of now, they have no communication at all. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments.